He doesn't have a bow or anything, so we should be safe in this tower straight up.
George, window shield.
Oh my gosh. Adrian.
Oh, here.
I did any iron.
Here, George, take this. Try and make some armor.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm gonna get extra dirt in case you need to build up and help Sap
Oh
now.
my gosh. Bye, Dream!
Wait, what?
What?
Oh my gosh! What?
Yeah, that stream pulling out one of the most insane things ever, the most insane clutch I've ever seen. Literally, it's so insane that when I saw it the first time, I thought he was using like a hack client or something. But I am going to now be attempting to learn this. Spoiler alert, I learned it kinda very fast, and also basically because of Dream had so much more time. He had actually that much time, and I only had that. I made it so that I jumped out and I turned it out mid-air and clicked the crafting table and then crafted it. Also, I used like a trick to do it that none of the others recreating have thought about, so yeah, hope you enjoy. That was so cool. Let's go! If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. It will really just help a lot. And if you like my content, I have a Discord server. It'll be in the description. Also,